I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Oneplus and opening settings so you can access digital well-being quickly. Tap Settings, then locate the Digital Well-being and Parental Controls entry. It may be grouped under System on some Oxygen OS builds. Once you find it, make sure system permissions are allowed so the feature can read app usage. If prompted, grant usage access for accurate data. This initial step prepares the phone to collect screen time metrics and avoids missing information. Now tap Dashboard inside Digital Wellbeing to view a breakdown of screen time by app. This shows minutes and percentages so you see where time goes. Scroll the list to compare individual apps and tap any app to view session details and set timers. Make sure to change the date range at the top. Switch between today, yesterday, or the past week to spot trends. If you want more context, enable notifications for weekly reports so the phone summarizes use automatically. To finish, set app timers or turn on focus mode from the dashboard to limit distracting apps. This enforces the screen time rules you just inspected. You can also create bedtime schedules or do not disturb to reduce overnight usage. If screen time appears incomplete, make sure usage access is granted to Digital Wellbeing in Settings. Revoke and regrant if needed. Finally, restart the phone after permission changes so the system rebuilds accurate usage logs and the numbers reflect real activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.